Welcome to Alone Together Baking, where we bake together alone. I'm Sky, and this is my Panda apron. And today we are going to make a basic no-knead bread. That is knead with a K, not with a double E, because everyone needs bread. Wouldn't you agree? So let's get to it. So there are only 4 ingredients. 3 cups bread flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon yeast, and 1 1/2 cups cool water. So you're going to take the flour, water, and yeast and whisk them together. Then we're going to pour the water in and then mix it all together. Here I have my trusty rubber spatula, so we can scrape down the edges. So after about a minute of mixing, you should have a wet, sticky dough just like this. Cover the bowl, let it sit for 12 to 18 hours. That's right, you heard me, 12 to 18 hours. And then you're ready to bake. Easy peasy. It's been 18 hours and the dough has been rising. It has these amazing bubbles. Just take a look at that. And we are ready to form it now. We're going to take my bread scraper, and if you don't have one of these, you can always use a rubber spatula. But I'm going to try to do this for the camera with the right hand. I'm going to take the dough out in one piece and get it onto this cutting board or any kind of surface you want, generously dusted with flour. There we go. And now that we have that, what we want to do now is to fold it over into a loose ball with some seams at the top. Now what we're going to do is those seams are going to be the things that crack and really give the dough an amazing artisan bread look. So I have my ball here and I'm going to place it on a towel. Make sure it's not terry cloth, a cotton towel, where we're going to have it rest for about an hour and then I'll be ready to bake. The dough has been resting for 60 minutes, and about 30 minutes ago I preheated the oven to 475 degrees with a ceramic pot and lid in it. Now if you don't have a ceramic pot, you can use a Dutch oven or any other pot with a lid that is oven friendly. Now the pot is very, very hot, but the goal is to carefully take your dough that's been resting an hour and flip it into the pot. Then cover it with a lid and put it back. So we'll leave that in there for about 30 minutes and then remove the lid. Then we're going to bake it another 10 to 20 minutes until it's a nice golden brown. And at that point, we'll come back and take it out together. The bread has been in the oven for 40 minutes, 30 minutes covered and 10 minutes uncovered. So let's check it out. Look at that bread. It is just gorgeous. Check it out. Do you see how the seam on the top opened up and cracked? That's what gives it that nice artisan loaf look. Just going to use a couple of rubber spatulas and take them out. And it's done. It was a treat baking with you today. If you'd like to see a written recipe, go to alonetogetherbaking.com. I'm Sky. Let's bake together again soon.